Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, one day I visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam and found him conversing with his companions sitting with them, while he had tied his belly with a bandage. I asked some of his companions, what's its reason? The companions radiyallahu anhum said, it is because of hunger. I then went to Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu. He was the husband of Hazrat Sulaim, Milhan's daughter. I said to him, O father, I have seen Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam having bandaged his belly. I asked some of his companions radiyallahu anhum about its reason. They whereupon said, hunger. Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu then made for my mother and asked her, is there anything to eat? She said, yes, I have a piece of bread and some dates. If only Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam comes to us, we will satiate him. But if somebody else comes along with him, the food will be insufficient for them. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5291.